Apple shareholders have made a bold move, rejecting a proposal to eliminate the company's diversity, equity, and inclusion programs. The initiative, backed by a conservative think tank, aimed to push Apple to follow other major corporations that have recently rolled back their DEI efforts. But with an overwhelming 97% of votes against the proposal, Apple is standing firm in its commitment to diversity. This decision sets Apple apart from companies like Target, Pepsi, Walmart, and Google, which have all scaled back or restructured their diversity initiatives, especially amid growing political pressure. The White House has subtly encouraged companies, particularly those with federal contracts, to rethink their DEI strategies, leading many to comply. But why is Apple taking a different stance? Experts say that for consumer-driven businesses, diversity isn't just about corporate responsibility, it's critical for success. A diverse workforce helps Apple create products that cater to a global audience, ensuring inclusivity in design, marketing, and user experience. Legal battles surrounding DEI have further complicated the landscape. A recent court ruling found that Trump-era executive orders challenging DEI programs weren't legally justified. Yet many companies have reacted with knee-jerk decisions to phase out these programs, fearing legal consequences. Despite the political back and forth, polls show that most Americans believe in equal opportunities and see diversity as an asset, not a liability. Whether in business, government, or democracy, representation matters. The question now is, will the pendulum swing back in favor of DEI? Or will these recent rollbacks create long-term setbacks for marginalized groups? One thing is clear, Apple isn't backing down, and as debates around diversity in corporate America continue, the tech giant's decision may set the tone for other businesses moving forward.